Hey guys, I am so excited because today I am going to show you how to draw something perfect for Halloween.
A zombie cat.
For this project, all you need is a pencil, an eraser, and the colors I have chosen for my zombie cat are blacks, greens, and maybe a little bit of yellow. We're going to go ahead and draw the head. Let's find the center line. Make a line this way, and the center going this way. Now let's put our eyeballs really big. Now it's time to draw the zombie cat. Let's go ahead and erase any pencil lines we have left behind before we color our cat. Awesome job, you guys. Just a few colors, an eraser, and a pencil. We created our first ever zombie cat. What do you think?